Good day, my name is Abu Sunday. This training I'll be showing you how to convert your call station data using HGO. HGO stands for High Target Geomatic Office. It's a software that helps us to convert our call station data to a format that other software can easily understand, which is the Rinex format. So before we start, we need to copy the call station data from the source and paste it on our desktop so that we will not convert straight from the source. So for us to do that, we need to know the particular data that we want to process. That is the data from the Trimble Business Center. So I have a folder that I create here, mobile mapping training, which I have the data that we want to process here, called the raw data. Then inside the raw data, I have this particular folder, which the serial number is 308. So this 308 is the video serial number we use to track all the progress of our job using a particular Excel sheet. So for me to know the date that this data was captured, I'll go to Excel sheet and then check the video serial number 308, right? Now the video serial number 308, it was collected on 2020 0903, right? So I'll go to my call station data now, which is stored in FS02. Click on FS02 FTTP 2020 September 0903, right? So this is a folder called 03. I'll copy it and then I'll go back to my desktop, the folder, and then I paste it, and we wait for it to copy. So as you can see, it has copied. So on this particular folder, we'll still create two folders called base and postpack. The base is the folder that we are going to put our output converted file to. That is the Rinex converted files. That is the folder we are going to put. We are going to put it on base, and then the postpack, we are going to use it in our next step of data processing. So I'll right click and then I call this one base, and then right click again, then I call this postpack, right? So we'll now go to our HGO, go to Rinex convert, right? Then you go to under the Rinex setting, we'll change our version from 3.02 to 2.11. Then under our source file, that is the file that we want to convert now, we have to load it. So I'll click open, then I'll go to my desktop, mobile mapping 03, and then I'll pick the file with Kagis 2470 GNS. So always pick the one that Kagis. You pick this file Kagis and then click open. So you have to wait for it. It will take some time, but you have to wait for it. Okay, so you see it has loaded. So we need to select our output folder. Click on this button, then we go to our folder, then we select the base and click OK. Now these are the settings you need to do under the Convert Rinex dialog box. Then from there now click on Convert. Make sure you do not double click. If you click, just wait for it. So as you can see, it's converting now. Okay, so as you can see, convert finish. So this is how you can convert your cost station data using HGO. So what you need to do is to close your HGO, and for us to see our converted file, you go to the base. So you see the files that's been converted. So that is the end of this section. So we'll continue in our next step, which is post-pack processing using a post-pack software.